This will be in the beginning of the video. If you do not make $370,000, do not buy solar. You will not have enough tax liability to actually get the full refund of 30%. Done. Video's done. That's it. Holy crap. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And with this video, I'm going to kill solar sales. Period. The 30% federal tax credit you're supposed to get from the federal government is a bunch of shit. It's all based off of your tax liability. You need, and I figured this out with my accountant last night, we did hypothetical scenarios in order to get the full 30%. So if you make less than $370,000 a year, you will not qualify for the full 30%. So you may have to make almost $400,000. What? Because the tax liability on $370,000 is higher than the tax rebate. So you need to be just about, it's just there. So your tax liability must be higher than the 30% of the system cost. Does that make any sense to you? So like I told you, this video is going to kill solar sales. Call your accountant. Call that person. Ask questions. Find out. I should have did that before I purchased solar, because I probably wouldn't have done it if I knew my tax liability was not enough. My tax liability is nowhere near that. So I only got $3,900 back. That's it. So I had to take that $3,900 and save it and put it towards the loan of that deferred amount of $14,000 and change, almost 15 grand. Okay? So now I have 14 months to come up with the rest of the money, so I don't have to pay the $250 a month for the loan, which is ridiculous. And it's actually a tax credit. So what that means is that it'll be a refund to you based off your tax liability. You're not going to get a check for 15 grand and go, here, pay off your loan. No, it doesn't work that way. It's like I said, it's a huge scam, and it's done wrong. The way they sell it is wrong. So these solar companies are making a shit ton of money because solar panels are so inexpensive. So inexpensive. It's not even funny. So these guys are getting extremely rich on solar. Extremely rich. Am I happy that I have solar? Abso-fucking-lutely. I think it's the best freaking thing ever. I'm lowering the cost of my electric bill, which was $450 a month. Now it's zero. Now, you know, it's nothing, and I pay $150 a month. So I'm saving. All right, so I'm saving money, obviously. But it's a costly endeavor. So 38 grand, and minus the 30%, which doesn't really exist. So now I have to come up with my refund that I got last night. So we did hypotheticals with my accountant last night, and we found out that you have to make $370,000 a year to get the full tax credit, because your tax liability is higher. You know, all your taxes that you pay into the system, it's got to be more than the 30% tax refund. Understand? So if you only pay taxes of like $9,000, you're never going to get any of that back. You get very little, especially you have your expenses, you're writing stuff off, blah, blah, blah. That all comes into play. All comes into play. So, so you need to have an extremely amount of losses, tax liability, in order to get any of that back. So like I said, this video is going to kill solar sales. You must watch this video 100% because you're just going to fall over. So, that said, if you don't make $370,000 a year, don't get solar. Simple as that. I mean, this could be a 15-second video. It's crazy. If you don't make, okay, this is how I should, this will be in the beginning of the video. If you do not make $370,000, do not buy solar. You will not have enough tax credits, tax liability to actually get the full refund of 30%. Done. Video's done. That's it. Holy crap. But whatever. It is what it is. I'm happy I got it. I'm really into the solar thing. So, as you know, I buy solar lights. I do solar reviews. This is what I do. So it doesn't really matter. I'm happy with it. I don't, it is what it is. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Take care. This video will kill solar sales dead right in its tracks. If you make less than $370,000 a year combined income, you will not get the full 30% tax rebate.